Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's April 9th, 2010. Well, the USDA released their monthly supply-demand reports this morning, and it looks like we got something for everybody. The early calls are all over the board, from 2 to 3 lower to 4 to 5 higher in corn, 8 to 10 higher in beans, to 3 to 5 lower. So a lot of uncertainty here this morning. I think when you look at face value of this report, however, corn, the ending stocks were lower than what the trade average was. It came out at 1.899. Trade was looking for 1.911. In soybeans, the ending stocks was stayed the same as last month at 190 million bushel for soybeans. Trade had an estimate in there of 209, so 20 million bushel less than what the trade was thinking. That, on face value, is certainly friendly. However, when you take the world situation, Brazil, the USDA added 500,000 metric tons to Brazil production, raised it to 6,750, and added 1 million metric tons to Argentina's production, raised it to 54 million metric tons. With those numbers, we're looking at a record world ending stocks at 68.8 million metric tons. So that is how you could get bearish out of the soybeans. Wheat, however, came out friendly pretty much across the board here, lowering the ending stocks in wheat down to 950, which has taken off about 51 million metric tons from that 1 billion bushel carryover they had last month. Also, we had news out of China. China says we're going to sell 1.8 million metric tons of state-owned corn. Coincidence that it comes out right on a USDA report, very similar to the last time we had an announcement out of China that helped break this market here around the March 31st. The weather, we're looking at good weather here for a few days, and should allow for some more field work throughout the Midwest. Wherever the rains didn't occur, the producers are going to be in the field, and we'll get some planting done here starting this weekend, I would think. However, there is a storm possible moving through the area beginning early next week. So that could slow down planting again, but the forecasters now are looking for that system to stay pretty much to the north. The technical picture, we've got support in May corn at 343 initially, then down to 325. On the resistance side, 350, and then 359 is some critical resistance areas in the May contract. Soybeans, we got a wide range there. 911 is key support, 977 is major resistance, and it looks like we're going to trade within that range. In the wheat, contract lows are the support at 447, with the 20-day moving average and a 4.5-month downtrend at 473.5 is our resistance point here today. The outside markets are providing support. We got the dollar down 16, crude's up 54, and the gold is up $4. So we're looking for we'll have to wait until we get closer to the opening to get a good call here, but in general, U.S. stocks look like it should be supportive to the market. In the cattle and meat trade, we had choice beef up 33, select down just 6 cents. The outside, or the demand side there, is still a problem. Meat feels soft. The cash cattle trade is done for the week. That traded mostly at $1 with a high there of $101.75 in Nebraska. The futures there are expected to open 20 to 40 higher here this morning. In the hogs, however, we did have an exciting news there again, or a surprise. The cutout values were up $2.03. That's got packers looking for some hogs here this morning to kill a few more hogs on Saturday. And we've got cash markets 50 higher there for that reason. The trend still remains up. Technical resistance stops were hit yesterday, cleaned out a few of them, and now it appears like we're back on the uptrending track again in the hogs and it looks like in the cattle as well. So trade them accordingly. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538. There's a lot more details that we can discuss on the USDA report. We'd be happy to do that with you. Just give Allendale, your Allendale representative, or call an Allendale branch office, and they'd be happy to visit with you as well. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, safe weekend. We'll talk to you Monday morning. Thank you.